Init man ito. Ano yung ginagawa?
Candidates for graduation from these short-term courses for school year 2012-2013. As Dean of College, I hereby certify that we have satisfactorily complied with all the academic and skills requirements for graduation as prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education, the Technical Skills Development Authority, and Jose Maria College. Congratulations. Please be seated.
Apollo C. Kibuloy, I hereby confer upon you your respective titles, certificates, and degrees with all the rights and privileges thereunto appertaining. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Professor Nori. Congratulations to our graduates. Let's give them another warm applause.